Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make Roblox GFX. Now let me tell you, this is just an idea. I'm not really pro in making this one, but it's just somehow to give you an idea on how to make Roblox GFX. So first you have to open your Roblox Studio, and then what you want to do here is to simply look for your avatar, import your avatar. Next is go to avatar and then kindly look for this what we call animation editor. Tap this one here. Okay, and you can now simply adjust your avatar. So the purpose of this is the face animation editor provides a user-friendly interface for creating and editing facial animations for dynamic heads. Okay, so you can adjust the position of your avatar. Next thing to do is to anchor this one. Go to model and then look for anchor. But as you can see, I cannot tap this. Maybe it's not yet available in my Roblox Studio or there's something wrong with this. But if you see that anchor, you just have to tap anchor. Okay, and then next, what you want to do is to just simply tap your avatar and then kindly right click and then look for export. Click export selection and you can name this to whatever you want. Okay, so you can save this to your desktop, to your downloads. Now you have to make sure that the file type has OBJ. Click save. Okay, now you can exit your Roblox Studio and then go to Blender. So you need to install this one. Now what you want to do is to simply go to file and then go to desktop and then kindly import the picture or the avatar from your Roblox Studio. Okay, and then here what you want to do is to simply edit your avatar. So you can change the color, you can change everything here. What you want to do is to simply click your avatar. Now in this area, you can change the color of your avatar's clothes, even his head, his hair. So you just have to explore everything here. Now, for example, you want to change the visibility of your avatar, you can just simply adjust everything here. Okay, so feel free to explore. Now, what you want to do now, once you have changed the visibility of your character, you can now exit this Blender. But actually, there are tons of features and options that you can do here. So if you're expert or if you're using Blender, then you would know what to do. You can simply explore everything here, edit and customize your avatar. So once you're satisfied with the color or the visibility of your character, now you can simply save this. Okay, so first we have Roblox Studio, Blender, and then the third tool that we need here is Photopea. Okay, here in Photopea, you can also edit your Roblox GFX. All you have to do is to import your avatar here, and then yes, you can change the texture, again, the visibility of your character. All you have to do is to explore. You can add face, you can add other features here because Photopea is a good tool for editing. Now, aside from Photopea, you can also use Canva for editing your avatar, okay, Roblox avatar. So once you're done with Photopea, once you are satisfied with your output, or if you are not satisfied with your output, then you can go to Canva. Here you can import your character or avatar again. And then above here, you can simply add a background. Now, under effects, you can change the color of your avatar. Now you can add elements to your avatar. You can adjust your avatar's appearance by tapping adjust to change the highlights, change the brightness, and so on. Okay, so once you're satisfied with your output, then you can go to share and then download this one and upload it to your Roblox. Okay, so this is just a very basic idea on how to create or make Roblox GFX. I just introduced the sites that you can use for editing. So we have Photopea, we have Blender, and we have Canva. And so the keyword is to import or add your avatar. Always use the file type OBJ, and then yes, you can import that to Photopea, Blender, and Canva, and you can start editing your Roblox. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.